This is the Frigidaire EFIC189-Silver ice maker, and the look of it has changed recently, but I wanted to go ahead and do a video of mine to show you how it works. I've had it for a while, so it has changed the way it looks a little bit lately, but anyway, I just love it. It makes ice every 10 minutes or so. They're cute little round ice cubes. So let's take a look at this. So right inside here is where you're going to fill the machine with water, and there's a maximum fill line. And then the water is pumped up through the system, and up in the back there is where the ice is made. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this with water just to the maximum fill line. And you can see there's this nice little ice holder that it comes with. I'm just putting that inside. And now I'll close the lid and let it do its work. So I'll plug it in and press the power button. And you can see here at the top on these, there are indicators letting you know to add water, if the ice is full, and also the power indicator. So you can see inside here, there's some automation going on when the ice is formed. There's a little tray that holds the ice in place, and then when it's done, it moves this little mechanism, and it actually pulls the ice off those little metal spikes and pushes it down into the compartment. And you can see there it's already put some ice down in its ice bucket. And again, here is some of the ice pieces here. Pretty nice. You know, we really like having this around. It's great if you don't have an ice maker built into your refrigerator. I also like to use the ice to put in the swamp cooler to make the evaporative cooler even colder than normal. It's great when you're having parties to have extra ice constantly making throughout the party, or if you're making margaritas. This is really nice.